Diamond Matt channel, welcome. Right, this video is an excerpt from a full instructional guide I made a while ago. I was making a trillion cut stone, a single stone earring, so three-sided stone, 3 claws, but the information I'm giving, the advice I'm giving in the video is relevant to any shape stone, any amount of claws. When you're making an earring, you want it to sit really flush to the ear. So in the video I was explaining about how the stone's got to be really low and it's got to be comfortable to wear, obviously, but yeah, you want it really flush to the ear, because in my experience, over 20 years being a professional jeweler, serving customers, and I can't think of anyone who wanted something sticking out really far from the ear. You want it to sit really flush so it just wears nicely, it's not hanging down or anything in awkward positions. So yeah, check out the video. If you want to see the full thing, you need to become a patron. It's patron.com/diamondmouter. Link in the description anyway if you want to click on that. But anyway, I've got a new patron I've got to say thank you to. It's Boltaz B. Thank you very much, Boltaz. Become a patron yesterday. He's a classic patron, so he gets access to, gets a shout out on the video, gets access to all the new YouTube videos 2 weeks before they go public on YouTube, and he now gets access to all the full instructional guides, which I believe there are 30 of now, so it's really good value. From £10 a month, you get basically a whole ton of jewellery making information over 30 videos, all like an hour, between an hour and 2 hours long typically, sometimes a bit more. Yeah, really in-depth in jewellery making instructional guides. So yeah, I think it's well worth that money. You got to pay that small amount, you get access to a whole load of jewellery making information. So yeah, you get all that. Also, by becoming a patron, you're supporting me and enabling me to continue making these videos and sharing more of what I learned over 20 years being a professional jeweler. So anyway, yeah, check out this video, click like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hope you join me again on the next upload. I just stuck it down from underneath so I can show you this. That's about the height I want it. I don't want it sticking up really proud from the metalwork. I want it down quite low. Could go lower than that quite easily without it looking wrong or anything. You can go right down. I don't like the idea of really sort of long looking claws, even though they're over the top of the stone properly. I don't want a long sort of claw going down the side. I want it looking quite sort of short and stubby, because I think most customers, nearly all customers, would prefer the stone they're wearing in their ear, like any kind of diamond stud. They want it flat to the ear. They don't want it kind of sticking out, and it's more likely to sort of hang down a little bit, hang forward. Keep things flat and flush is preferable. Just from my experience working at a London store, because I used to serve customers as well. Most people, I would say nearly all people, want something flush to the ear.